That small blue can sitting in your garage looks harmless, cheap, ordinary, almost boring. But here's the uncomfortable truth most drivers never hear. WD-40 can prevent failures that make repair shops thousands every single day. And that's exactly why no one ever explains what it's really capable of. These aren't internet hacks. These are quiet workshop tricks mechanics use before they hand you the keys and say, "You're good to go." Stay with me because one of these tricks is so effective, some shops are told not to use it unless the customer demands it. Miss it, and you'll pay for it later. Trick 19. Revive a car that won't start. You turn the key, click, maybe a weak cough, no roar, no spark. Your mind jumps straight to a dead battery or a tow truck, but most of the time that's not the real problem. Moisture sneaks into the spark plug wells from rain, humidity, or even a simple engine wash. That trapped water kills your ignition instantly. Spray WD-40 directly into the spark plug wells and over the ignition coils. Give it a minute. The formula pushes moisture out, restores conductivity, and coats the metal so it stays dry. Turn the key again, the engine fires up like nothing ever happened. In humid or coastal areas, doing this once a month can save you from breakdowns entirely. Trick 18. Stop battery corrosion before it strands you. Battery corrosion doesn't fail loudly, it creeps. A little white or green crust forms, slowly choking electrical flow. One morning, the car just won't respond. Spray WD-40 directly onto the terminals. You'll see it loosen the buildup almost instantly. Wipe everything clean, then apply a light second coat. It dissolves corrosion and leaves a thin barrier that blocks moisture and acid vapors. Stronger starts, cleaner cables, fewer electrical surprises. Trick 17. Free seized bolts without heat or broken tools. A bolt refuses to move. You pull harder, the wrench groans. One more turn and it snaps. That's how most damage happens. Instead, spray WD-40 directly onto the rusted threads and walk away for 10 minutes. The formula creeps deep into microscopic gaps, breaking corrosion bonds you can't see. Come back, turn the wrench, and the bolt moves like it was never stuck. No flames, no stripped heads, just chemistry doing the work. Trick 16. Silent screaming serpentine belts. That high-pitched squeal at stoplights isn't embarrassing, it's friction. Dirt, humidity, and residue cause belts to slip across pulleys. With the engine off, lightly mist WD-40 on the belt and pulleys. Start the engine again. The noise disappears instantly. It's not a permanent repair, but it tells you whether the issue is dirt, alignment, or tension, and saves you an unnecessary shop visit. Trick 15. Restore cloudy headlights in seconds. Yellow, hazy headlights don't just look bad, they cut visibility dramatically. Spray WD-40 directly onto the lens and wipe it in with a microfiber cloth using circular motions. Instantly, the cloudiness lifts. The formula fills microscopic cracks and repels moisture, restoring clarity fast. It's not permanent, but it's perfect before night driving or inspections. Trick 14. Unfreeze car locks and doors. Cold mornings, frozen doors. You pull harder and risk breaking a handle. Spray WD-40 into the keyhole and along the door seals. It displaces moisture and lowers the freezing point inside the mechanism. Seconds later, the door opens smoothly. A light pre-winter coating keeps locks from freezing at all. Trick 11. Restore wiper blade performance. Streaks, smears, chatter. Wiper blades lose effectiveness because of built-up oil and road film. Spray WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe each blade edge, then clean the windshield. The rubber regains flexibility, glides smoothly, and clears rain properly again, often extending blade life for months. Trick 12. Eliminate dashboard creaks and interior squeaks. That faint rattle driving you insane isn't your imagination, it's dry plastic joints rubbing together. Spray WD-40 onto a cloth, never directly on the dash, and wipe along seams and contact points. The squeaks vanish. The cabin feels calmer, quieter, newer. Trick 11. Loosen rusted fuel caps. A fuel cap that fights back isn't stubborn, it's corroded. Spray WD-40 around the cap edges and threads. Let it soak. Twist gently and feel it release smoothly without damage. A light follow-up coat prevents it from seizing again. Trick 10. Protect electrical connections. Moisture in electrical connectors causes warning lights, misfires, and random failures. Disconnect connectors one by one and lightly mist WD-40 on the pins. Reconnect and wipe excess. It drives out moisture and coats metal surfaces, blocking corrosion before it starts. Trick 9. Remove stubborn sticker residue. Old stickers leave sticky messes that scraping only spreads. Spray WD-40 directly on the residue, wait 30 seconds, and wipe clean. Adhesive dissolves instantly without harming paint or glass. Trick 8. Clean and protect engine bays. After wiping down surfaces, lightly mist WD-40 over plastic covers, hoses, and metal parts. Wipe excess away. The engine bay looks darker, cleaner, and protected against moisture and corrosion, the same finish detailers use before resale. Trick 7. Prevent tool rust. Before storing tools, spray a light coat of WD-40 and wipe off excess. It seals metal from air and moisture, keeping tools smooth and rust-free for years. Trick 6. Silence door hinge squeaks. Aim the WD-40 straw directly at hinge joints. Spray briefly, move the door back and forth, the noise disappears, friction drops, and rust stays away. Trick 5. Keep rubber seals flexible. Dry rubber cracks and leaks. Apply WD-40 to a cloth and wipe weather stripping around doors and windows. It restores elasticity, prevents sticking, and extends seal life dramatically. Trick 4. Restore chrome shine. Spray WD-40 on chrome trim, bumpers, or exhaust tips. Let it sit briefly, then wipe clean. Oxidation lifts away, shine returns, and a protective layer prevents future rust. Trick 3. Clean rusty license plate screws. Spray WD-40 directly on rusty screws and edges. Let it soak. Brush lightly and wipe clean. Rust loosens, metal refreshes, and corrosion slows dramatically. Trick 2. Stop flash rust on brake rotors. After washing your car, lightly mist WD-40 on brake rotors, spread evenly, and wipe excess. It displaces moisture and prevents overnight rust buildup that causes squeaks and wear. Trick 1. Shine and protect alloy wheels. After cleaning wheels, apply a light coat of WD-40 and wipe evenly. The finish brightens instantly, brake dust sticks less, and corrosion around lug nuts slows down. That blue can isn't just WD-40, it's a mechanic in a can. If even one of these tricks saved you time or money, hit like, subscribe, and stay with us, because the most expensive car problems usually start as the smallest things people ignore.